Hello guys, welcome to Luna Park.
Hey guys, on today's video we're going inside the Luna Park. It's one of the iconic and most popular attraction here in Sydney, Australia. For that, scary ride!
Scary.
The smiling face in the entrance measures 9 meters wide or 30 feet. Most common use by tourists and close to Luna Park is riding a ferry, available across the city. Remember, your stop will be Milsons Point. You can buy a ticket at the Luna Park counter or buy online via their website. If you love discounts and promotions, try other booking platforms. Link on description below. So you're wondering why there is red pass, green pass, yellow pass. Since Luna Park is very strict on the height requirement per ride, red riders will be for infant and toddler, green riders for kids, and yellow riders for teenagers and adults. Did you know that Luna Park has free entrance? You heard that right. You can go inside without paying anything. You can watch the rides, sit and chat with your friends, even get free stuff like we did, 1 box of Coco Crunch.
Have you had wheat mix before? Yeah, but you got the chocolate one.
Sideshow Games are also available for less extreme, where you win toys. For example, shooting a basketball or hitting metal cups. The more you win, the bigger the prize. Now let's go to family rides. These rides are best for parents and kids. The jump car or bump car, 2 minutes of bumping and thumping. This is Boomerang, a roller coaster that goes forward and backward. A speed of 45 kilometers per hour with a track highest point to 16 meters high. Just beside is Freaky Frogs, 6 leaping frogs that leap and bounce up and down. A mini Ferris wheel called Bug, 5 rotations per minute. Next is the Cloud9, 8 hot air balloons that goes up to 5 meters high with 7 total rotations per minute. Do you like pictures? Some rides have cameras. Get your photos on any photo booth. This is Little Nipper, a small roller coaster with a speed of 6 meters per second and a total of 62 meters track length. It can be fun and tiring, so let's have a break first, charge up, and eat something delicious. You can find shops like Helter Shelter Cafe, Big Top, and Hungry Horse. If you want to eat outside, I must warn you, seagulls are everywhere. They can be very annoying sometimes. Eat your food if not attended. So we got fries here. So this salad is for vegetarians and it costs like 11 AUD. We have the pizza. This is a margarita pizza. It costs like 18 AUD dollars. A quick snack to boost energy. Full and alive, let's hunt some rides. If you like thrill rides, you should try the Hair Racer, height of 50 meters with 80 kilometers per hour drop speed. Now that's our hair raiser for you. If you like extreme, this is it, the sledgehammer. The hammer drops and whacks like a fury, spinning round and round that reaches 30 meters into the sky. Talking about airtime. The 360 degrees Big Dipper, world's first double launch single rail coaster. Want something less extreme but thrilling? Try Tango Train with 2 speeds wild and mild, 4 minutes of spin time. Coney Island, place for kids and kids at heart. Slides. Or if you like to go higher, try the Devil's Drop. Other games like Turkey Trot, Barrels of Fun, and so many more. Luna Park is not just for rides and games, but a place to relax and escape our busy life. Families and friends gather to have fun and enjoy. A memory that will last forever. The feeling of happy I knew as a kid.